Close your eyes for a few seconds and breathe deeply, because even before this really begins, I want your mind to prepare for something rare. An ancient Zen method, almost forgotten, that can calm your brain in just 10 minutes. If you truly want to transform your mind, I invite you now to subscribe, like, and leave a comment not for the algorithm, but to send a signal to your brain. I choose peace. That simple intention can already start the work. Now that you're ready, let yourself be carried. Imagine you are standing in a quiet room, or perhaps sitting somewhere where nothing demands effort from you. Around you, everything is silent. This silence is not empty, it is alive. You feel the air entering your nose, sliding into your chest, and leaving as gently as it came. Just by watching your breath, your brain begins to slow down. Because what I am about to reveal is not a secret. It is an obvious truth we forget in the noise of daily life. Your mind grows tired because it fights itself against a whirlwind of thoughts that never stops. And you were never taught what ancient monks knew. There is a lever in the human body, a very simple gesture capable of calming the nervous system in less than 10 minutes. That gesture, you are about to feel it now. Gently place your right hand on your belly, just below the navel. Rest it there without pressure, with light presence. This is where the Zen method begins. This area is called the hara in Eastern traditions, the energy center of the body. You don't need to believe in it to feel its effects. Beneath your hand, you may sense warmth, perhaps a slight movement. It is your breath. Now breathe slowly, and let your belly swell under your hand. Not the chest, not the shoulders, the belly. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Longer on the exhale than the inhale. Continue. You will notice something. Thoughts do not disappear completely, but they slow down, as if losing their strength. Your brain enters a different rhythm. The practice you are doing right now has been used in Japan for over 1,000 years to calm the mind, reduce invisible pain, stabilize emotions, and create a state of inner harmony. This simple abdominal breathing activates the vagus nerve, the main cable of calm in your body. When it activates, your brain chemistry changes, cortisol drops, tensions release, thoughts stop attacking. You are no longer fighting your mind, you are observing it, taming it. And now comes the second part of the method, listening. Not listening to what is around you, but listening to what is inside you. As you inhale, gently ask yourself, what does my mind need right now? Perhaps rest, perhaps clarity, perhaps silence, perhaps simply to be heard. You will see that your brain does not answer with words, but with sensations. A tightness in the chest, a weight in the throat, a knot in the stomach. These signals do not appear to make you suffer. They appear because a part of you has been waiting a long time for this moment of listening. Now, as you breathe slowly, move your hand from your belly to your chest. Not to press, not to judge, simply to feel. Your chest rises and falls gently. Beneath your hand, your heart beats. This is the emotional center of the body. Again, inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 6. As you exhale, imagine releasing a burden, a stress, a tension that no longer belongs to you. The brain loves to visualize. It makes no difference between what you imagine and what you actually experience. So, when you visualize releasing something, your brain instantly lowers its hyperactivity. You will begin to feel warmth, expansion, a small wave of softness. This is normal. It means your nervous system is shifting from survival mode to rest mode. And you might say, but why can't I do this normally? Why do my thoughts pull me in all directions? Because no one ever showed you that the brain is not a boss. It is a child. It cries when left without direction. It panics when given too much information. It fidgets when it is afraid. And too often, you have let it take the wheel. But right now, with this breathing, you are taking the wheel back. Now, you will make a third tiny but powerful movement. Place your hand back on your belly, and, as you inhale, imagine the air descending into your belly. As you exhale, imagine your breath rising along your spine like a warm wave caressing your vertebrae. Continue 3 cycles. This visualization instantly calms brain activity and stress zones. You do not need to fight to stop your thoughts. You transform them from within. After a few minutes, you should feel something settling in. Your mind stops running. It is not that thoughts disappear, it is that they lose their urgency. You are no longer overwhelmed. You observe, you guide, you inhale, you exhale. This simple movement creates an inner space, and in that space, your brain finally finds what it has been seeking for so long: rest. Now listen to this. Many people think they need complex meditation, long practices, difficult techniques, but often the simplest methods are the most powerful. 10 minutes are enough to reset your nervous system. 10 minutes to calm your mind. 10 minutes to regain clarity. 10 minutes to soothe days of anxiety. 10 minutes to rebuild your brain. And if you stay a few moments longer with me, I will show you how to turn a simple breath into inner healing. Take a slow breath again. Now, on the exhale, mentally repeat one word. Just one. A word that calms your mind. It can be peace, calm, softness, breathe, release, quiet. Choose the one that attracts you most. This word becomes an anchor. Every time you exhale, you repeat it. This word will imprint on your brain. In 10 minutes, your mind will associate your breath with this word. And starting tomorrow, it will be enough to close your eyes, breathe, and whisper this word to calm your mind. You won't even need to think. Your brain will have learned. While you breathe, think of this. Your mind is not broken. It is not too restless. It is not too weak. It is just exhausted. And mental fatigue makes you believe you are broken. But it is never true. What you lack is not strength. It is calm. And this calm, you are installing it right now. You are already rebuilding your brain. You are already healing. Now, feel your body. Feel your belly rise, your chest open, your back relax. Observe your forehead. Tension begins to disappear. Your jaw loosens, your shoulders drop, your breath becomes more natural. There it is. This is what your body has been waiting for a long time. And now, before this ends, I want to tell you this. You do not have to let your thoughts control you. You do not have to suffer your mind. You can create your own inner space. 10 minutes a day are enough. You don't need more. It is not a discipline. It is not an obligation. It is a gift you give yourself. So, if this method has helped you, subscribe now and leave a comment. I choose inner peace. It will take you 1 second, but this message will strengthen your commitment to yourself. Like the video so it reaches someone who needs it. And above all, keep this truth within you. Every day, you can begin again. Every day, you can calm your mind. Every day, you can rebuild your brain. It all begins with one breath.